We're now going to take a look at series methods with a non-default index. So we've been using this simple SAL series, which has the just basic range, the default range index. Over here, you can see 0 to 4. Now we're going to read in the movie data set, and in particular just this one column, the IMDb score column. So we've done this before. We're going to assign it to the score variable. We're going to put the title in the index. So our series, the values are over here. The names right here are the labels for those particular values. So the aggregation methods, I'm going to show you how these work with a series like this that has the index over here. So they don't do anything different to aggregation methods. So the method works on the values. It does not work on the index unless it's a method specific for the index. So most methods just work on the values. Some of them do work on the index, but all of these aggregation methods will work on the values, so it doesn't matter what the index is. It will just ignore it. So you'd be getting the same value whether or not you put the title in the index or not. Now, the non-aggregation methods, so let's just call round because that will do something. We'll just round it to the nearest 1. And so what happens here is that the index, it'll produce a new series that's the same length as the original, but the index will remain the same. And then the values will be, rounded. This will be the same thing if we did the cumulative minimum, right? So this one, the index remains the same, and we just, the method itself is only applied on the values. So it just keeps on finding that new minimum. And then if it's lower than the original, then it'll replace it and continue down to the very end. So just a couple things to keep in mind when you're working with series that do have an index.